Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed the topic about the population inversion. In this topic we can see that how can be excited atoms pulley down in downward directions and atoms more and more atoms in the ground state will be present, and that reason ground state will be fulfilled. So according to that of stimulated spontaneous emission can be takes place. Due to that emissions, the process of light amplification of laser stimulating process develop, and more in this amplification process waveforms like structure creates. So in this way we can see the how can be population inversion process takes place. So now today we are going to start new topic, pumping and pumping methods. So let me first tell about the pumping process. In this process the population inversion process can be maintained, and that necessary in case of that the atoms must be continuously promoted by the lower level to higher level. So in that reason energy can to be so I tell you about the definition about that pumping. Energy is to be supplied laser medium to raise atoms to lower level to excited level, and maintain the population excited state level the value greater than that of the lower energy of the atoms. And that lower energy case raised lower and upper level is known as pumping process. In this case in pumping process the more and more atoms can be lower state raised to lower state to excited state level. So in this way the lower state energy greater than that of the excited lower case energy is comparatively excited state value is raised to lower level to upper level. So in this way lower the distance between that lower to upper level will be that value is greater than that of the lower energy, means excited state value is greater than that of the lower case of energy level. So this process the atoms can be raised from lower level to upper level. So in this way, in this method exciting atoms to higher energy levels is generated, means E2 greater than E1, and according to that of population also N2 higher energy levels population greater than, means N2 less than N1. So in this way the as long as the period of material can be increased, and then that of the population inversion processes of N2 but cannot be N2 and N1 will be N2 greater than N1. So in this way population inversion can be achieved by the heating material of processes. So in this way you can prove that the how pumping processes will be takes place. So we can now discussing about the pumping methods. So in this pumping method there are three types of pumping methods. First optical pumping, second electrical pumping, third X-ray pumping, fourth chemical pumping. So let's discuss about the one by one pumping processes. So first I tell you about the optical pumping. Now in this optical pumping we get the in this process is optical pumping is used for photons to excite the atoms. Light source illuminate to the laser medium. So in this optical pumping method the photons is present in the excited state of atoms. So light source such as flash, discharging tube is also used to eliminate the laser medium. So in this way photons generated the frequency to the excite the upper atoms of the uppermost to excited state to uppermost level atom. So in this way we can be generate the to create the they can be dropped the metastable upper laser level to create the state of population inversion. So metastable state means more and more atoms present in that of manner in ground state level. Number of atoms gather in ground state level, and that then applying that various methods that according to spontaneous emission of processes that atoms goes to the excited state. So ground state is fulfilled. So that case of is known as the metastable state. So the process included that means atoms will be goes to the ground state to excited state level. So in that case pump photon must be higher frequency than that of the emitted photon. Pumping processes the photons can be create the higher level of frequency than those atoms emitted in that case. So now we get the next pumping level of the atom must be narrow level, sufficiently wide spanning range of energies. So in this way the atoms will be generated the manner of the atoms of higher frequency emitted of photons than that of the atoms raised from atoms raised from uppermost level will be generated. So in this lower level, below the lower laser level, the factors can be reduces the laser efficiency. So that can be the photons in higher frequency emitted in that atoms. So that atoms will be the higher frequency of photon emitted. So in this way the atoms raise from above uppermost level to lower level. So that case lower level laser will be produces the laser efficiency. So in this level atoms is a sufficiently wide range phenomena generated. Then the energy spans from that of the higher level lower level to higher level. So in this way we get the pumping level will be suitable for any laser medium which can be transparent the pump light. So in this way the atoms will be generated in not be a narrow level, is sufficiently in a wide range. So in that case of spanning of energy it is a narrow, but a pump photon of the specific frequency will be generated in that situation. So the choice of sources and the large of the population will be source of power. That case of wasted medium generated. So majority of that case the upper level is a wide range of bands spectrum produces. Then atoms should be excited state to the many of upper levels of atoms will be spreading form of generated. So in this way the light sources can be emitting for broad range. So the range, when any source is emitted, that light will be spreading in broad range of wavelength of that of flash lamp will be can be used for that excited atoms. So in this way the pumping of level means we upper levels can be broad range of wavelength phenomena it can be produces than that of the narrow beam of spectrum of that light emission of processes. So in this way the broad range of wavelength the laser can be produces narrow beam of light like then must be narrow level, but like but it can be spanning range of energy is state of beam is high intensity produces. So in that case the optical pumping will be used for solid state crystalline pumping is also used for solid state crystalline lasers and liquid tunable dye lasers lasers processing in that pumping optical pumping methods will be oftenly used. So now next topic we discuss the electrical and X-ray of chemical methods. So electrical pumping, in this electrical pumping we can be used for the laser of the material can be conduct the electricity without destroying the laser activity. It is in this phenomena is also used for the case of laser materials and conductivity of electricity without any disturbance of destroying the laser activity. So this method is limited of gases used. So in this case gas laser is a high voltage and initially ionizes the gas conducted the electricity. So initially pulses of generated initially ionize the than that of the conducting of electricity in an electric current flowing through that case is a case will be excites the atoms of the excited level from they can be dropped from metastable state to upper laser level state. So in this way the upper laser level is mostly that processes the main important role can be created that of the population inversion. So in this way semiconductor laser limited gases in case of laser high voltage initially ionizes the conduct of electricity. So semiconductor lasers is also used for electrical pumping process. So in this process mostly used the semiconductor lasers. These semiconductor lasers the atoms can be present in excited state. So current carries the electrons and holes are excited and population inversion processes. So in this way current carries the mostly electrons and holes in the excited state. So in this way the population inversion process can be generated in that of the junction region. So the electrons can be combines the most holes of the junctions. In this case we get the processes of electrical pulses of semiconductor diodes will be p-n junction forward and reversing bias processes it is used for generating the electrical pumping activity. So in this way we can prove the electrical pumping method. So now next third is X-ray pumping. in this type, some case in this case, then the atoms of solids can be excited the X-ray beam, and pumping can be achieved in this X-ray pumping processes. The atoms is a solid level can be generated, and that of the excited X-ray beam process, the pumping process can be achieved. Means the X-ray of than that of the process, the can be more higher level and lower levels. Pumping schemes will be developed in that's the case of X-ray pumping. In this medium is generated in the form. Last is fourth is chemical. In this process, we get the when excitation produces the by exothermic chemical reactions. In chemical processes, excitation states produces the exothermic of reactions developing the chemical pumping. It requires highly reactive and explosive of gaseous mixture. So in this case, the chemical pumping will be high reaction chemical reaction phenomena produces the highly reactive components, and in that components developing the explosive form of gaseous mixture. So now in this way today we discuss the pumping, what is means by pumping, and pumping methods, and that of four types of methods. So any doubts, send me comments box. So thank you.